Java. Code runs fast, but sometimes troubles come at last. A zero divide, a file not found, and all your logic crashes down. But fear not, friend, don't you cry. Java's got help, just give it a try. With try and catch, you make a plan to stop the crash. Yes, you can. TryBlock says I'll do my best, but errors may come, I'll handle the rest. Inside you place the risky lines that might break down at runtime times. If trouble strikes, then comes the catch. It grabs the error, a perfect match. You write what happens if things go wrong, like printing a message or singing a song. And after all, when things are done, the finally block will always run. Clean up work or closing a file, it always runs, that's Java style. Some errors you must catch or cry, call checked exceptions, oh my. But others sneak in with no alert, like null pointers that really hurt. So write your code, but plan ahead. Catch those bugs before they spread. Exception handling's your safety net. To write strong code, the best one yet. To write strong code, the best one yet.